running a single 15. It's pretty much no wall, but it technically, you know, like in the competition, it's a wall.
It's about window line?
Yeah. So we're on a 4K. It needs more power. It pretty much needs like an 8K on it.
Yeah.
Two D6500s.
Okay.
It's an interesting box for them too. So I work out of this, so I wanted to have storage for tools and all that.
Yep.
So it's got an interesting little setup back there, nice and clean.
You can store stuff under here.
Yep.
Right here.
I can put my drill impact set under there, and then my socket set over there. A little bit of
That's
small
good.
tools and all that. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
I like it.
Appreciate it.
Looks good. Is this the 3 or 4 inch coil?
3.5. It's a 3515R.
All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
We got the big 3 and all that.
Yep.
We got a bunch of grounds ran. There's 2 running to the back and then 2 off the chassis up to the battery. We got a 400 amp alternator in there.
Okay.
It peaks at 409 at 2000 RPM. And under the seat, you can't really see it unless I do this. But whenever I do this, I got 2 6.5 Arnolds.
Oh, you got them underneath here, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, you got them active. Okay, got it.
Yeah, man.
The speaker's underneath the seat.
Yeah.
Have you?
It's still stock door speakers.
Yeah.
I just started this build 2 weeks ago and I finished it last night.
I was gonna say, wow, 2 weeks, you did pretty good.
Yeah, man. Working every day, a couple hours after work.
Yep.
All day Saturday.
Oh yeah.
All day on Saturdays and then
Yep.
a couple hours after work.
Oh yeah, it's time consuming, but
Yeah.
are you happy with it so far?
Oh, fuck yeah. And I mean, that sub's barely moving though. It needs more power, but it does okay.
Yeah. What is the amp wire to?
1 ohm, so it's dual 2s on the sub.
Whenever you done, Travis is back over there at the red line.
Okay.
All right,
Dual 2s on the sub.
Yeah.
It does alright. For a single 15, just, you know what I mean?
You took this out, you lost like a DP and a half of weird.
I know, man. So I bought this for $11 at Walmart. The first day I set everything up, I was still in stock all.
I would look at doing one here and one back there.
Oh, I definitely need one back there.
Yeah.
Because whenever I go over bumps too, it's not secure. It's not screwed into the ground.
Oh yeah.
So I can kind of hear it flop. I need to get something for back there. But it's crazy because this doesn't extend and tighten. It just is the
Holds it in place.
perfect.
Perfect length.
It was the perfect size to be able
wedge
to
it.
go into the. Yeah,
That's pretty
dude.
cool.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy. All right.
Yeah, man.
Awesome, man.
Appreciate that, dude.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for showing me.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Sweet single sub build. Work in progress, I know.
I appreciate that. Yeah, once I get it on the 8K, I'm excited to see what
Oh,
we
man.
do.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Jeremy system. This was at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport Showdown last year, 2022. Be sure to comment what you liked about his system and give him a like. Impressive for a single subwoofer inside of his Explorer. Actually, he was doing a lot of crazy flex, tearing up his Explorer. You got to stay tuned. He gave me a great 4-song demo during this system demo today. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos. I really like the port box layout with a nice big port sub up, port back, curved. I didn't find out the exact tuning, but I could tell it was playing down into the high 20 hertz range really well. And looking up the subwoofer specs, this is the DB35R if you missed it earlier. And the specs on this subwoofer looks like it's rated at 3,500 watts RMS with a huge X max of 35 to 45 millimeters. So really big X max and beefy subwoofer. He said he was planning to eventually upgrade double power, but of course it still got down for the amount of power he did run on it, and it's an insane monster for this 4,000 watt amp at 1 ohm. That's the picture of what it looked like on the amp since I didn't get a really good close-up. try to get a little bit more specs on the walk-arounds before we get to the demos, just so you can kind of understand some of the things you're working with in these systems. It's nice to understand everything that you're working with instead of just coming in to hear how it plays. That way you know everything involved in the system. So I hope you appreciate me giving you a full walk-around of everything. 4,000 watt system on one single 15-inch subwoofer. We're getting to a demo now. 4-song demo.
All right.
I just bought a new whip, 550 M6 to my fingers up, then I'll smash. Bitch, I'm a thugger nigga, I'm not a rapper. Run over with the plug, who got the bag in.
I mean?